Car insurance in 2026 has become a mess. Endless rate hikes, hidden clauses, and outdated systems that feel stuck in the 1990s. Then there's Lemonade, the company that promises to reinvent everything using AI. They say their car insurance is instant, fair, and human. Sounds too good to be true, right? So today we're digging deep. Is Lemonade really the best car insurance in 2026, or just another tech startup that's great at marketing but bad at paying claims? Lemonade started back in 2016 by trying to modernize renters and homeowners insurance. Their mission was simple: replace paperwork and agents with artificial intelligence. Now they've expanded into car, pet, and even life insurance. Backed by strong investors and a growing customer base, Lemonade wants to prove that tech and transparency can beat traditional insurers. I've reviewed dozens of insurance companies, from legacy brands like State Farm and Allstate to app-based players like Root and Metro Mile. Lemonade definitely stands out for its design, pricing model, and claims speed. But does innovation always equal reliability? The company builds its reputation on three key claims. Instant AI claims. Their chatbot Maya can approve smaller claims in under 10 minutes. Transparent pricing. Lemonade takes a flat fee and donates leftover premiums to charities instead of keeping them as profit. Ethical, modern coverage. They focus on fairness, paperless service, and eco-friendly policies that adjust automatically to your driving habits. It's a futuristic model that sounds great on paper, but how does it perform in real life? Automation and speed. This is where Lemonade shines. Nearly 40% of small claims, cracked glass, bumper damage, minor collisions are approved instantly by AI. No agents, no waiting weeks. The process feels more like Venmo than an insurance company. Pricing and value. For younger or low-mileage drivers, Lemonade's rates are often 15 to 25% lower than traditional competitors. The app monitors driving behavior, braking, speed, phone usage, and adjusts rates accordingly. Safe drivers save, reckless ones pay more. However, drivers with older cars, high mileage, or city commutes may see higher rates. So while Lemonade is efficient, it's not always the cheapest. Coverage. The app offers standard options like liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage, plus easy add-ons such as roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. Everything updates in real time with 0 phone calls. Claims experience. Minor claims are lightning fast, but larger accidents still need human approval. Reviews show most customers get quick resolutions, though a few report slower follow-ups when big repairs or medical claims are involved. Even then, Lemonade's process remains clearer and faster than most traditional insurers. Ethics and transparency. The Give Back program is one of Lemonade's strongest features. Each year, leftover funds go to charities, chosen by customers. It builds trust and gives policyholders the sense that their money isn't just disappearing into a corporate void. Technology Edge Lemonade's app is still among the best designed in the industry. It automatically detects crashes, estimates repair costs, and files claims with one tap. In 2026, very few insurers offer anything close to this level of automation and design polish. Lemonade isn't perfect, it's still expanding, meaning availability can vary by state. Customer support relies heavily on AI chatbots, so people who prefer phone calls might find it impersonal. It's fantastic for tech-savvy, independent drivers, but not ideal for large families or complex multi-car policies. So, is Lemonade Auto Insurance worth it in 2026? Yes, for modern drivers. If you value automation, transparent pricing, and fast claims, Lemonade remains one of the most forward-thinking insurance options available today. But not for everyone. If you live in a state with limited coverage, prefer traditional customer service, or need more complex policy customization, a legacy insurer may still serve you better. In short, Lemonade isn't just an app. It's a glimpse into the future of insurance. It delivers speed, fairness, and simplicity in a market still dominated by bureaucracy. For 2026, Lemonade stands as one of the best auto insurance options for tech-focused drivers who want control, clarity, and innovation, all in the palm of their hand.